Now that you have your DJI MAVIC Air and you've used it a couple times, you're probably wondering how can you make your photos and videos look even better. Aside from buying extra batteries to spend more time in the air shooting, you should really invest in a good set of filters for your Mavic Air camera. Polar Pro has a couple different options to help combat the harsh sunlight and glare we face when shooting with drones in the sky. Polar Pro filters have been engineered specifically for the Mavic Air, using production-grade multi-coated glass in an ultra-lightweight aluminum construction frame that weighs only 0.59 grams. Polar Pro has been specializing in camera filters and now drones for years. Their expertise and dedication to creating quality products shows in each one of their filters. There's a couple different options when it comes to filter kits from Polar Pro. You can choose a 3-pack or a 6-pack filter kit that has an assorted range of ND and polarizer filters. If you find yourself flying over water or near water, you can't go wrong with a polarizer filter to help cut down the glare and light refraction from water. ND filters range from ND4 to ND64. You can also use a combination filter that combines the best of both worlds with ND and polarizer features. Using ND filters on the Mavic Air will help you reduce shutter speed and avoid unwanted jello or minor vibrations when filming. Shooting with lower shutter speed also will give your images a slight motion blur and create a more film-like image. Depending on the light conditions, you will choose to use a higher or lower amount of ND to reduce shutter speed. The brighter the conditions, the higher the ND filter is needed to reduce the amount of light hitting your camera's sensor. After filming with the Mavic Air for weeks, while waiting for my set of Polar Pro filters, I noticed a difference right away when I started to use these filters. Polar Pro's high quality glass stops from adding unwanted tints and degrading image quality. The polarizer filter also reduces the increased blue channel colors when filming near water, lowering the shutter speed and giving me a smooth, crisp, film-like image, turning my Mavic Air into an ultra-portable film machine. If you're interested in adding filters to your drone today, look no further than the Polar Pro filter line at dronenerds.com. I always keep my Polar Pro filters close by when flying.